This Southwest Realty property video is presented by Petit. Nice home in convenient neighborhood. This home boasts 4 bedrooms with 2 bathrooms and a separate laundry room, attached garage and backyard access. Private front entrance, newer appliances and cupboards, washer and dryer stay in this separate, extra large laundry room. Laundry room approx 140 square feet and is not included in total square feet. Some new carpet, tile and fresh paint. Roof is in the process of being replaced and there are solar panels that are wholly owned by the seller. No HOA no PID Nice home at good price, don't wait. For more information, review the details below or contact Petit at 505-898-8899.